Hey cadets, remember those holographic Charizard Pokemon cards we all wanted as a kid? Well, this ultra rare item came with a hefty price tag and ran the risk of being stolen. Now imagine if they were to digitize these collector items. What's stopping people from hacking, stealing, or duplicating these digital cards? Today's episode is about non-fungible tokens and how they might be the answer to solving this problem. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts.
Cryptonauts.
In 2017, a company by the name of Axiom Zen released a game on Ethereum called Cryptokitties. This game allowed players to buy, collect, breed, and eventually sell these virtual cats. Every single kitty was uniquely owned by a user, and each kitty's value was subject to change depending on the market. No kitten could be duplicated or transferred without the user's permission because their individual identity was verified through the blockchain. This kitten craze took off and people spent an estimated total of $7 million on these cats. They were like digital Beanie Babies. If only I didn't spend all my inheritance on those darn Beanie Babies, I'd have some money to buy some Cryptokitties. According to the New York Times, a single Cryptokitty sold for $140,000 with the average price of $25 each. This digital ownership gave rise to the non-fungible token, also known as NFT. These tokens are best used to create digital scarcity like collectibles and to verify ownership. Unlike other tokens though, NFTs are not interchangeable and are a mere representation of an asset. Let's take a closer look. Imagine that there are only 10 holographic Charizards in existence. We're going to turn these into NFTs by minting 10 separate tokens, one for each Charizard. Each Charizard is verifiable by the blockchain, and whoever owns the private key to each Charizard is the true owner. Any counterfeits or Charmander imposters will automatically be exposed because, well, blockchains run on consensus. The gaming industry and the art industry both show strong use cases for NFTs. Imagine that you spent hundreds of hours mining for gold on World of Warcraft and you finally bought that chromatic sword for 500,000 gold. That chromatic sword can now be minted into an NFT, and the NFT could be sold for Bitcoin. Imagine that, getting paid to play. The same concept applies to art. If you spent hundreds of hours drawing something on Adobe Illustrator, selling a physical print just wouldn't be the same. Minting your drawing into an NFT is a secure way to sell and transfer ownership of your digital masterpiece. Other potential use cases for NFTs include domain names, event tickets, and even ownership records of physical assets. As we mentioned earlier, Cryptokitties has been a prime example of successful NFT applications. Enjin is another example that's been pushing the NFT industry and blockchain gaming as a whole. Enjin has created their own token that allows you to mint and burn in and out of the Enjin token directly. This provides endless opportunities for gamers looking to trade or make a few bucks. BitAI Art has also created a platform for people to invest and own art pieces that have been tokenized. You can check them both out in the description. Although NFTs are still in their infancy stages, we can see many use cases and a promising future for tokenizing assets. These tokens differ from regular tokens because their contracts make them non-fungible. Current NFT contracts include ERC 721, ERC 1155, and ERC 998. The market of non-fungible tokens and digital collectibles could reach tens of billions of dollars according to recent studies by experts. In fact, we've created our own Cryptonauts NFT available on Enjin, and we'll be giving them away to 3 lucky winners. All you have to do is comment below with your Enjin wallet address, which should start with 0x, and we will choose 3 people at random. Until next time, cadets, hodl, secure your crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.